Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching us, welcome. My name is Oscar.
And I'm Emily.
It's my wife, Emily. So, yeah, we have got a pretty good, cool little trip planned today. We'll tell you all about it right after the intro. All right, so thanks for sticking around. Today, well, let me just start by saying we are in the Little Rock, Arkansas area, and my wife and I just kind of here on a Sunday, and we thought, why not take the e-bikes and let's throw them on the truck, let's head to downtown Little Rock and just go ride around. So of course you got the river that runs right through downtown. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna ride over to the Capitol building, you know, just take some pictures and do that. Last video, you can check it out in the last video, we did the Clinton National Library. So, you know, real cool segment on that. Walked around downtown a little bit. This time we're gonna go towards the river and just kind of ride that trail, go down to the Capitol building. Like I say, it's a beautiful area, and maybe if the weather holds up, we might even catch a little bit of the Arkansas Travelers minor league baseball game. They're playing like at 1:30. It's about 11, almost it's 10:45 right now in the morning. So yeah, anyway, we're just gonna go do that and just kind of spend the day and see what adventures we can run into. What do you think?
I'm excited. I have not ridden a bike since before my hip replacement. So let's see how that goes.
That's true. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. This is gonna be.
I'm kind of worried, a little worried, scared.
This is gonna be your maiden voyage.
Oh my gosh.
On the bike.
I'm very nervous. I'm not gonna lie, but I gotta get back out there and ride the bike and yeah, just make sure I can do it without killing myself.
Nah, it's, you know, and the thing about riding around in downtown Little Rock is that it's a Sunday. There's like, it's real easy going, you know. I mean, it's not like we're gonna be pedaling hard or anything. These are e-bikes.
Yeah.
And just so, we're also gonna get to test out the Insta360 X5, which is the 360 camera. So we'll be posting some videos. So if you don't follow me on Facebook, get on Facebook. You know, send me a friend request and we'll get on there. Yeah, where you can see the 360 pictures. I'm not sure if YouTube can do them or not. I'll try that on YouTube as well. So today we're gonna be recording on the Insta360 X5 again, which as I mentioned is a 360 camera. We're also going to be recording on, you can see it right here right now, on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which is a great camera. As you can tell, we're kind of camera enthusiasts, so we're trying out some new stuff.
And I brought these, so I don't know if you can add these into the video as well. These
Yeah.
are the Meta glasses, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. They take really good video and pictures.
Guys, if you don't have, or you haven't, if you wear prescription glasses, even if you don't, you can just use them as sunglasses or whatever. Ray-Ban has these, what they call Meta glasses, and you know, they can take video, they can take pictures, you can listen to music, take phone calls. These glasses are the future, guys. I would highly recommend them. I'm just waiting on my new whatever you call it, on my vision insurance from work. I'm waiting on it to kick in again in January, and I'm gonna go get mine. Yes, you can get them through your insurance, through your eyeglass insurance. So I'm just waiting on that. They're super cheap if you go through the insurance. If not, they're gonna run you about what, 400 or so, you know, 300, maybe a little more depending on what prescription you have. But you can also get them just as sunglasses. Anyway, Emily's gonna be trying them out, so we'll throw in some video with that as well. The Emily Cam. I'll call it. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, guys. Just try to make a real cool midday thing about it. I know last night here, it was like this all day, and then about maybe about 4 o'clock or so, the storms start rolling in.
Yes, and then we put everything, we buttoned everything up at the trailer, and then it didn't rain, but we had a lot of thunderstorms around us. It didn't rain right where we were at, but
Yeah.
it was raining all around us. You could hear it, thunder and lightning, and
Yeah, so we're gonna try to,
let's see what happens today.
get back, because we have Princess Leia there. We left her back in the trailer, and we're just gonna be gone a few hours, and want to get back if in case there's any storms that come around, she's not alone and she's not scared. So, all right, guys, we'll get back with you when we get downtown. See you in a bit. All right, we made it, guys. Look at that. We are at so we decided to park here at the parking lot for the minor league baseball team, the Arkansas Travelers. The game didn't start till 1:30. It's only 11:30 right now, so we thought we'd park here right around downtown, go do our thing, and then come back, put the bikes up on the rack, and then we could just walk into the game. So that's kind of the plan. We'll see if anybody tells us anything, because there was nobody there taking payment to park here. Maybe they don't charge, I don't know. But anyway, here we go, guys. Let's get it going. You ready? You excited?
I'm ready. I'm gonna take my glasses. I'm ready.
You got the meta glasses,
I'm
right?
nervous. I'm scared. I got.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's get it. All right, guys. So our idea of
Should have videotaped you struggling with the bike. It was terrible.
all right, guys. Our plan to bike ride downtown Little Rock kind of fell apart. So Emily's e-bike kind of hit a snag. We don't know why it wouldn't work.
The battery wouldn't turn on, and
Yeah.
there's just no way for me to push that bike across the bridge.
Yeah.
Without having the pedal
So
assist.
yeah, so we're going to Plan B, which, if you can see it, we are here at Old Bart Southern Eats. We're gonna try some barbecue, Little Rock style, and see how it goes. Well, at least we can review the place, right? So here we go, guys.
What were you doing?
Huh?
What were you doing?
Nothing? I didn't say anything.
Slow. Keep up, buddy.
Alright guys, that pretty much wraps it up for our little tour.
Are you tired?
Are you tired? I'm not tired.
Fine.
I'm good to go. I'll race you to the truck. Let's find out.
Okay. Let's see.
If I had my Dallas Cowboys shoes on, I could run real fast.
I would beat you.
That's it, guys. Man, sorry we didn't get to bike ride. We'll get the e-bike fixed, and then we'll try it again.